Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. I am going to be reviewing some hair from ANNABELLE, a brand who sell on AliExpress. They sent me a wig to try on, review and just give you guys my thoughts on. So I am doing that in collaboration with them. I'd like to thank them for sponsoring this video, of course, and also for sending me this gorgeous unit which I'm going to unbox for you as well. So if you like the sound of that, then please keep watching. So came packaged up very nicely. So it comes in this pink box and it says ANNABELLE Bloom Your Beauty. So I got an 18 length natural straight haired unit. So it comes bagged up like so. This is the first time I've actually fitted a wig on camera, so you have to bear with me. So it comes with some nice stuffing just to keep the shape. So I'm just going to put that to the side, and it comes in a net as well. So I'm just going to take that off. Ooh, okay, so what I love about this is it's got, like, you won't be able to see it on camera so much, but it's got little bits of brown in it, so when the light hits it you can kind of see them a little bit vaguely, but I think it's in like a natural black colour. And then it comes with some styrofoam. Is it styrofoam? Just to keep the shape of the hairline. So I'm just going to take these pieces off. So as you can see, it comes with a decent bit of lace. So you can create your sort of own style of hairline really. And then a few baby hairs like at the front as well. So we're just going to see how this fits on. It says it's 18-inch. I'll have to see it on my head because it looks a little bit shorter. It looks like a 16-inch. Maybe one of the longer layers at 18. And it is got a bit of a kink at the bottom. So, let's fit it. What I might need to do is adjust the bands. Oh, in fact, let me show you the inside. So, that's what the inside looks like. It comes with clips for the side and the back. And there's also one on the inside here. And then it comes with adjustable straps there at the bottom, so you can kind of make it tighter if you want. So I've just got my cap on underneath. I'm going to adjust the straps first because I have a small peanut head, so I need it to be as narrow as possible just so it doesn't come off. So I'm going to put it like right in the middle there. So in terms of how I put my wigs on, I always turn them like upside down and then I put my head into it. Put them over like this and then get the strap at the back and just tuck it into my hair. Pull it back like so. And then just slide it back like that. So I look crazy right now, but we're going to work on this hairline together. So they haven't got a designated parting, so it's going to need some plucking. But what I'm going to do, just find the clips as well on the inside. Just pop those in for security. So we've got it on, but as you can see there's quite a bit of lace, but we can cut that off. Okay, so the lace is all cut off, so we're going to put it on again and just make sure the hairline is looking more natural. Boom. So it's still a bit straight line-ish, but we can fix that. That's just kind of how I pluck at it until I get a very natural look. So I'll be back on camera once I've done that. It's 871. Okay, so we've plucked at the hairline a little bit more. What we're going to do to define it is, one, keep plucking, to, we're going to put some eyeshadow or some foundation in here just to really get that part in popping. So in case you're not kind of wearing a skin coloured cap underneath, you still get that definition. So the lace stops here, so I can only take the parting so far, but I've plucked as far back as is possible without ruining the unit. Now I'm new to this, so don't judge me on my technique. I'm just doing what I've seen. But I suppose where it matters for it to have the most definition is right at the front. So I really tried to get that bit right. Okay, so let me bring the foundation and then show you what difference it makes. But it's already starting to look pretty decent. But what I'm going to want to do is pluck the hairline a little bit more as well. But let's do the parting and sort that out. So I'm using my NYX Stay Matte foundation in the shade Deep Golden, and then just this little angled brush. So I'm just going to squeeze a little from the top and then just draw that into the hairline. And then just work it in. So yes, you'll get foundation on the hair, but you can sort of rub it in after. You want it nice and thick, but not too thick, because you want it to look a bit natural as well. But yeah, that's all we're going to do on that. Still looking a bit weird, but I need to tidy up the front a bit. So, and once I curl it, you'll see the effects more. So let's just keep plucking. Let's flatten down. I like the hair coming sort of equally down on each side. So let's flatten that down with these clips. It was actually quite a cute hairstyle with these. That was the other one. Okay, so we're getting there with the hairline a bit. I think we need more colour in the part. I'm going to get some eyeshadow and add that, and then I'm going to curl it and show you guys what the finished product looks like. But so to define the parting, I'm going to use my Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going to take probably this shade. Oh, where is it? This shade right here, which is the closest to my scalp, and pop that in the parting. And there's going to be an element of needing to train your parting, because the hair sort of just flows. All hair, I guess, when it's fresh, kind of just flows in the way that it wants to flow. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take a little bit on the hairline as well, and then what we're going to do is we're going to raise the hair around the parting up. So I'm using, I just got this on Amazon, I'll link it down below, but it's the Babyliss Ultra Fast Styling Wand. It's the Curl Pro 210. So what I love about this wand is you can set the temperature. So at the moment it's just power on. I don't know if you'll be able to see. But we're going to put it up to 210, which is the hottest. Heats up pretty quickly, which is good. So while it's heating up, I'm just going to be training these strands in the middle to just fall down like this. I'm going to be raising them again, but I just want them to know which way they need to go. And then just use that to kind of straighten the top of the hair. Let's tame those flyaways. See what I mean? So now that parting looks quite crazy, so we're going to try and make this look a little bit more natural. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section to either side of the parting, comb it up, okay. Now the clamp is very prominent, so woo, hot. Okay, so what I would advise you doing is just putting it in like that. Get rid of that harsh line. That's not what we want. That's annoying. Okay, let's try and not do that on the other side. I'm just trying to nice straighten out that silly curl that I put in. Okay, so now let's part the hair and just do curls all through it. See, that's what we've started with anyway. Now you can glue this down if you want for a little bit more security, but it doesn't necessarily need it. So let's get some mousse to tame these flyaways and some dry shampoo. Okay, so I've got some products here. This video is not sponsored by TG, but guys, holler at me. So I've got two bedhead products. One is called After Party, that's this one, and one's called Blowout. But they're essentially both like shine creams. So silky smooth shiny hair for After Party. This one is styling cocktail ingredient, smoothing and defrizzing shot. So let's go with this one. But really, oh, comes out gold. Is this gonna go gold in my hair? No, it's actually, I think it's colourless. So it comes out gold in your hand, but it doesn't have a colour in the hair. Ooh, it's giving it a nice sheen. Let's put this in the end as well. It's got a lovely smell to it as well. But yeah, it does give the hair a nice shine. Just work it into the ends. Stick it over your hands. So that's that. Then, because I don't like the front of the hair to look like super shiny, and I love the smell of this, so this is the Bedhead by TG OB Hive Dry Shampoo Spray, and this has the most amazing scent to it. So sort of just go over the top, and then it just makes the hair, once it's like settled in, just more like light and fluffy. If you kind of don't like the sort of shiny, overly wet look. and it gives it back the body. So I always do this step after I've curled the hair, and I comb it through just to get it into the other parts of the hair that I didn't spray. So that completes my review of this gorgeous unit from Ali Annabelle Hair. I will link it in the description box below, along with some discount codes and lots of other links that will hopefully help you guys in your search. I love the hair. It's really nice and silky. It's got like nice natural layers cut into it. It sits nice and flat on my head actually. I'll be real. It's a nice fit for my peanut head. So if you've got a small head and you want to adjust it, this is a decent unit to be able to do that with. The hair is very soft, it flows really nicely, and when you curl it, it just sits beautifully around the face. So thank you so much to the guys at Ali Annabelle for sending me this unit and for collaborating with me on this video, my first wig review. If you like this video and you want to see more of these types of videos, let me know, and we can certainly get our practice in. Next time I will probably glue it down just to kind of show you how secure it is, etc. But the clips sort of do a decent job at holding it down. Flyaways are easy enough to tame, and overall just really happy with it. So hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.